What if I told you that you could, what if I told you that you could have a full-featured, high-performing all-in-one with all the ports, connectivity, and power your entire family needs to have fun and stay productive, all without breaking the bank? Well, let's talk about all-in-ones for a minute. Let's talk today about the Lenovo IdeaCentre 24-inch with AMD Ryzen. Let's see what's inside. Yes, I will admit, it is simpler to do an unboxing of a laptop or tablet-sized device, but hey, all-in-ones are important, and it's important to see what that unboxing looks like as well, so you can prepare your customers and so you can prepare all your users to know what to expect. Opening the box, pretty simple actually. I really do appreciate how packaging can be really smart sometimes, and this really does just come right out of the box as an entire unit. Get out of here, box, we're done with you. And now we're left with removing some of the components. Clearly a keyboard right there. Some accessories here in a separate box. And then, of course, the great reveal of the all-in-one itself. It's a lot less intimidating out of its box, isn't it? This is obviously the first time doing this. I did not rewrap this. This is my first time actually taking it out. Oh, and what do you notice immediately? Those bezels. Now, in true Lenovo fashion, it just feels solid. There's nothing flimsy about it. It's so sleek. And it's got great articulation on that hinge. You can see you leave it at any angle you like. The entire PC is in the display, but for those of us who've been dealing with PCs or living with PCs for most of our adult lives, this certainly just seems like a monitor, doesn't it? That's all it feels like. But there is, in fact, an entire disk drive also hidden in this all-in-one. Right on that side there, you'll see there's a disk drive with an eject port and everything. And really classy, really nice little Lenovo branding right there at the bottom, and their sort of copper logo. And this single foot is just really nice. Now let's set the unit off to the side and see what's over here. So presumably keyboard and mouse. Let's take a look. Okay, nice sort of stress-free packaging. I don't need to bring out my Swiss Army knife to unbox the stuff inside the greater box. Nice, sleek keyboard, thin profile there. Desktop glass with the adjustable feet to adjust the angle if you so choose. Wired, so no worry about battery life. Here, further accessories. We have a thing. I think it's probably for cable management, actually. A mouse. Power. And everyone's favorite, the safety and warranty guide. So in terms of the overall unboxing, I would say very simple, very straightforward, no tricks, nothing I need to navigate that was difficult. You saw I was able to do it, even though it's a full all-in-one. I'm doing it alone here at sort of an awkward angle to try to show the camera every step of the way, and it was fine. But what I want to do now is talk about what sets this all-in-one apart. Boy, it is really solid. Well, I think it all starts with the processor. So the AMD Ryzen 5 4500U with Radeon graphics. This makes multitasking a breeze on this all-in-one, okay? And that really matters for a PC that many household users may be using throughout the day. And again, check out these narrow bezels. They're incredible at just 9.5 millimeters at their thinnest, which makes this massively impressive overall 90% screen to body ratio for more screen and fewer distractions. And hey, it's just plain stylish and sleek. This IdeaCentre 3 would fit just as well on a kitchen counter as it would on an office desk. But what really stands out to me now, the ports and connectivity. We got USB 3.0. We got HDMI out. We have a 3-in-1 card reader to help manage digital photos and videos. And in terms of specs, I'm actually happy to report that this model has 16 gigs of DDR4 memory and 512 gigs of solid state hard drive. So in summary, Windows and Office apps really blaze on this thing. So let's talk now about who this device is good for. Well, this all-in-one is excellent for families who share a PC, or for students looking to get schoolwork done. Maybe elementary school students looking to get started on Office apps, or even using Google Classroom and Microsoft Edge. Or maybe for older high school students and beyond who want a solid, stylish, fast workstation to complete their projects. And be sure to showcase the awesome display with that crazy bezel, because that really helps land how incredible this value is at this price point for this IdeaCentre all-in-one. So let's talk about a few FAQs maybe as we talk about this device. Webcam privacy. I know this is a big deal for a lot of people. So yes, there is a true block privacy shutter right here on the top. And so this is using actual physical, hardware. It's a true block privacy shutter, as Lenovo calls it. So it's not just based on software. You can actually feel and see when the camera is enabled or not. Ethernet. Yes, there's an Ethernet port in the back for hardwiring into networks. Touchscreen. No, this is not a touchscreen device. So it's important to know when demoing this or showcasing different features. Does the price include Windows 11 upgrade? Yes. So Windows 11 is, of course, a free upgrade for eligible devices that may be running Windows 10 out of the box. How about multiple monitor support? This is a big FAQ. Yes, HDMI out right here on the back provides that simple process for attaching to a different display and thereby increasing multitasking and entertainment options. That's the Lenovo IdeaCentre All-in-One 3, a beautiful, sleek, capable 24-inch desktop. For this price point, you're truly getting an all-in-one solution for working, creating, playing, and entertaining at home or in the office.